Waterproof LED work lights. Every Exzeit LED lights goes through 2 hours waterproof test before packed. We follow strict 100% quality inspection instead of sample inspection to ensure its outstanding waterproof performance. We guarantee replacement if any water issue occurred within 2 years. 150 degrees beam pattern LED driving lights. With OSRAM LED chips, this floodlights with 150 degrees illumination range gives out abandunt brightness for clear visibility, increasing safe hugely for your riding. Stainless steel LED light bar. With durable aluminum housing and stainless steel mounting bracket, this 4-inch light pod can withstand different harsh environment, keeping you from rust annoyance. Universal fit off-road lights. Working voltage of this LED truck light is between DC 9 to 30 V. It can be widely used to most of vehicle styles. Off-road, SUV, ATV, UTV, trucks, marine, boat etc. Product warranty. Any quality issue is under 1 year of replacement warranty. We stand behind our products. Exzeit waterproof LED work lights for truck, 150 degrees flood LED light bar, 90W 4200LMS off-road lights. Top reviews from the United States. These put out good light, we are going to order more. We are off the grid and have 12-volt DC for lighting in our garage. We ordered these to light an area that was hard to see. We put 2 of these in and wow, did they light up that area. We will order more to replace some of the other weak, dim lights in the garage.